Pansit con lechon, crispy sisig sa Fairview, Novaliches area. G. Hi ka-crave, have you tried Mama Lenny's hearty Filipino favorites? Kami kasi first time lang and nagustuhan namin yung specialty nilang pansit con lechon. Yung lechon nito parang lechon kawale, ang crispy. Masarap kasi parang malagkit siya, hindi siya dry. Works well with the pansit and this is a must try. Orderin nyo rin yung fresh lumpia nila, 65 pesos pero ang laki, siksik sa laman. Yung sauce naman manamis-namis. Bago lang daw tong pork sisig nila pero okay din ha. Crispy sisig style. Itong puto, depende sa preference nyo, very moist and soft kasi siya. Si Jeff nagustuhan niya, pero ako mas gusto ko kasi yung airy na puto. Taste-wise, it's the puto we all grew up with. By the way, may kasama silang Lucky Boba milk tea siya, perfect kasabay ng meals. Try nyo yung classic, cream cheese and Nova series. Highly recommended namin yan. May dine-in area rin na air-conditioned and al fresco. They're located along Dahlia Street, Fairview, Novaliches area. Marami talagang masarap sa #EatsInQC. This is Cassie, your foodie from QC.